me, Kiana, and welcome back to my natural hair update. Today's video is going to be my first natural hair video of 2020 because this year I am claiming it. This is going to be my year of hair retention and hair growth. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Kiana. I am a professional makeup artist, but every now and again I do bring you guys something a little bit different right here on my channel. If you guys have been riding with me since I started YouTube, welcome back. Happy New Year. So below I'm going to link a few videos giving you guys a little bit of background about where we have come through in this natural hair journey. I have started several of my hair videos with the Apogee protein treatment update. I just had my most recent Apogee protein treatment toward the end of 2019 and my hair was starting to shed. Like I was getting hair sheddage about this much, which is actually quite a bit. For me, at this point with my hair being completely colored, this was my sign to know that it was time to do another protein treatment. At the end of 2019 and through 2019, I probably had one Apogee protein treatment and we have gotten my hair to this length. Fast forward, we did completely color my hair toward the middle of last year and this is what we've been left with. The only thing that we do at this point is color my roots. But to get my hair to this color, my hairstylist is very specific that we only color it about every 8 to 12 weeks and we only color the roots. So what you're seeing on the ends is color that has just been there, and on the roots she does a nice shadow root for me so it doesn't look like black and then red, and that's how we've been maintaining it. What has gotten me to the Olaplex number 5? It is a bond maintenance conditioner. I really want to have an at-home treatment to where I can take care of my hair on a weekly basis. I do co-wash my hair several times a week just because it really doesn't get much wear after second or third day. This is first day hair, and then after that it's going into a bun. But yeah, the number 5 treatment, what I've actually found, it has so much slip. So this past week I came from LA and I wore a wig consecutively, and what happens with that, my hair tends to mat up under the wig cap, and I'm using more of a dome cap, but at the end of the day I'm not combing through my hair every day. I'm not using products on my hair every day, so the hair kind of gets trapped within itself and then it starts to shed. So I definitely like to use the number 5 treatment for conditioning. It has tons of slip, and I know some of you are probably going to comment on the number 3, but for me, this one having so much slip worked perfect for me today. Maybe in the next video I'll show you guys how I use the number 3, but again today I just really want to update you guys on where my hair is. So if you've been following my journey, I can kind of update you. Yes, we're still using Apogee. Right now I switched over to Olaplex as more of a weekly maintenance, and this is where we are. So come on guys, like this we got a little bit of length on it. If I do the pull, this is where we are. So we're right above boob, just for reference sake. If I do bangs, we're right underneath for reference sake. And it is time for me to have a little bit of a trim. I do have some areas that are not giving me as much spring back. Kind of like this piece right here obviously is not going to be as coily as this piece. Can we see the difference? So we have a complete coil, but we're still needing a little bit of trim on this, and on this one we basically have no coil. I'm getting a little bit of straightage on these pieces of hair as well. So what we'll do maybe next week is do another video, and we will show what my hair looks like with the number 3 and the number 5, and then I can actually weigh in to see if it's time for me to trim, which I'm almost willing to bet it's time for me to trim. Now that I've explained to you what's been going on with my hair, we're going to go into the video, share with you guys my updated hair routine using the Olaplex number 5. I hope you guys enjoy. Give me 2 thumbs up, and without further ado, let's get into the video.